I cannot afford a professional camera, but I can afford this. I found this in my phone door. Forgetting that it was just something that I ordered from Amazon. This is a Xenvo Phone Kit lens. It comes with a 3-level light, wide lens, with a clipper, a wire, some other stuff, and 2 lenses. With the 2 of them combined, you have a wide lens. The native wide arching from the phone camera can create too much distortion at the corners. That's why we are using a kit lens. With the small one, you will have a macro lens. You want to see more of the Xenvo lens? Check my YouTube channel.